Meet the Oromo people, the most populous ethnic group in Ethiopia with a population of 40 million. The Oromo people of Ethiopia have a fascinating and complex history that spans centuries. With a population of over 40 million, they are the largest ethnic group in the country, residing primarily in the Oromia region. Historical linguistics and comparative ethnology studies suggest that the Oromo people probably originated around the lakes Lake Chubahir and Lake Chamo. They are a Cushitic people who have inhabited the East and Northeast Africa since at least the early first millennium. The Oromo language, known as Afean Oromo, is an integral part of their identity. It belongs to the Cushitic branch of the Afro-Asiatic language family and is spoken by millions of Oromo individuals. Afean Oromo serves as a means of communication, a vessel for preserving their history and cultural heritage. One of the remarkable aspects of Oromo society is the Gadaya system. It is a unique form of democratic governance and social organization that has been practiced for generations. The Gadaya system is based on a rotational leadership structure, where leaders are elected based on age sets and serve for a fixed term. The system regulates political, economic, social, and religious activities of the community, dealing with issues such as conflict resolution, reparation, and protecting women's rights. It serves as a mechanism for enforcing moral conduct, building social cohesion, and expressing forms of community culture. Oromos respect their elders and value social responsibility, helping others, bravery, and hard work. Knowledge of history and culture is admired. Oromos can count their family trees through 10 generations or more. These values are expressed in Gir Arsa or Marissa, singing, storytelling, poems, and proverbs. Traditional Oromo songs, accompanied by various musical instruments, celebrate their history, values, and daily lives. There have been positive strides towards acknowledging and valuing Oromo culture and language, with Afean Oromo gaining official recognition as one of Ethiopia's federal working languages. Today, the Oromo people actively participate in various sectors, including education, politics, arts, and sports, contributing to the diverse fabric of Ethiopian society. Recognizing and appreciating the Oromo people's rich heritage and contributions is vital for fostering understanding and unity within Ethiopia. Embracing their language, traditions, and democratic values can lead to a stronger and more harmonious society where all ethnic groups thrive together.